Hey everybody! Today we are going to learn how to use the healing brush in Photoshop to fix blemishes and small imperfections. First, open your image in Photoshop. Quick prep step. Create a new empty layer. Click the new layer icon in the Layers panel. This keeps edits non-destructive. Now, look at the left toolbar. Click and hold the Spot Healing Brush tool. Choose the Healing Brush tool. At the top options bar, set Sample to Current and Below. This lets Photoshop sample the image underneath. Next, hold Alt and click a clean area near the blemish. This sets the sample source. Now paint over the blemish. Photoshop blends texture and color naturally. Why this matters? You keep skin texture while removing flaws. Results look realistic, not blurry. Repeat the process for other spots. If something looks off, undo and resample closer. That's it. I hope this helps you on your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.